Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I just came across a random museum. There's a lot of tractors there. I don't know anything about the tractors, but I will show them to you guys, and I will try to find some info and put them down below for each tractor I film. So yeah, hope you're enjoying this random thing. It's like exploring random stuff, you know. So yeah, take a look at this. Pretty old tractors. There's a Ford 3000. Put this. Cool. Oh, this one is very old. I just saw some signs. I'm out taking a hike. I'm going to go up on that mountain over there. And I saw a sign that said, museum. Okay, let's check it out. And there was a lot of old tractors, as you guys can see. Wow. We have one. Does it says any date on it? No. Hummel. Cool. And we have some more over here. We can start over here. Look at the change they had on the tires. See, they can drive it on snow. I think this was a lumber tractor of some kind. You can see the look behind it. And here we have a special one with like a belt on it. I hope I'm gonna find some info about this tractor so you guys can see what it is. I thought it just was cool to film them. And here we have like a tractor you are standing on. Oh, look at all these with the control. Cool. I think these trees over here are just what they was used to be before. This looks kind of neat though. Painted. What does it say on it? I can't see any date, like year of them. But I will find it to you guys, I promise. Well, I saw something else over here. I don't know what it is. Can it be from the World War II? A cannon or like a tank or something? If you guys know what it is, please comment down below. But take a look at this though. The tank is already open if you look carefully. This looks like a bomb, but I know it's not a bomb. But it's something from the World War II, I guess. Please let me know what you guys think it is. And I really hope you enjoyed. Sorry, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know all my first video was about airplanes and air shows and stuff, but I do so much more on this channel, and I want to enjoy every one of you guys. So yeah, don't remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later, guys.